This is a really useful box, and behind me is one of the really useful boxes factory where these are made. Now, I use these in my home for my craft items, my DIY, my household goods, and I've been using them for many years. I also met founder and CEO Mike Pickles, and I asked him if I could come along to the factories to see how these are made. And do you know what? I've only gone and blagged it. So do you want to come with me and we'll go and find out? Now, what's really interesting, you see the silos up there, that's where the materials go when they start their life here at the factory. Now, nobody touches that material until it's produced into a box like this. It really is amazing. Come with me. They're really big, and there's 4 of those. Wow. Here we go. Wow, this is big and impressive. Right, let me put that one down, but I'm going to come back to that. Oh my days, this really is incredible, and it's big as well. Okay, let's go over here to this machine. Now, remember, the raw materials are outside and nobody touches the box until it's made. So this machine, wow, look at it coming down. So this is all robotic. And then that takes that along, but then that pushes in. So I'm thinking that must compress the materials from outside. Look at all the cables in here as well. I mean, that's some serious hydraulics. It's like the grabber, isn't it, at the fair? Let's have a look when it goes down. It's only got a made of box. That's incredible. That's mind-blowing. That is brilliant. Right, this is where they're coming out. So from there, it goes along here and then comes on the production line. Can I grab that? Oh, it's still warm. It's like getting a cookie out of the oven. That's, oh, that is still warm. That is amazing. So we need to put the finishing touches on that, okay? So we put the stickers on, shows us the litre. This is a 9 litre. And then the leaflet goes in for all the different uses, of course. Then the handles go on. And that's easy. And that's it. Wow, I'm going to take one of those. That's incredible. From outside, through these machines, all the way along there, and then it's ready to go. That's really useful. Now here on the production line, what's really, really impressive is that 80,000 boxes go out every single day. That's 40,000 boxes a week, which makes it 20 million boxes distributed out of both of the factories. That's pretty impressive, right? But be prepared to be impressed. Aren't these great? So we've got lots of different colours. You can see the green boxes here. You can see the multicoloured boxes here. Morning. Morning. So this is the machine that compresses the plastic into the box. It is amazing. And look at that, one compression and it makes the boxes. That's everything, all of the detail in there. It really is astonishing. And that goes up. Remember, these haven't been touched by human hands at this point, but they soon will be, because the box lids needs to be added, and so do the handles, to make them really useful. They're amazing. Look at the different colours. There's all these little ones all lined up like that. Hello? Amazing. All the colours.